I fucking hit fired direct hit that guy.
No, I'm so dead. Ah! Fine, I lied. Oh shit!
Oh shit!
Oh
Get
god!
inside!
Please
Get
stop!
inside!
Oh, that I didn't get hit. I didn't get hit. The door. I didn't get hit by that.
There's two there. Oh my god.
I didn't get hit by the bear trap. The door set it. PvE supposed to be fun? I don't know about that. Come to this door. I dare you. Fuck is on? Hey, what is metal?
Oh, I'm so dead.
Are you?
Yeah, there's 4 of them over here.
I'm coming. Oh fuck. Well, that angle. Why did you choke that? You just choked your own way in.
Yeah, they got him up.
There's a guy on the roof. Sir, can you get off my roof? I just replaced the shingles, man.
Oh.
Okay, alright.
Yeah, never mind. You can have the roof.
Won't you spare me over to another?
Yeah, okay.
Holy shit! It's going hard!
Bro, he's
It has no right to go that hard!
his microphone can't handle.
Come on, bro.
Dude. Oh shit, I'm dead.
How is it not dead?
Dude. He's going so hard. He was on the left side of that door. Oh, I've just side left.
I'm out.
I think he's in the side room. Dude, it's so loud on that wall.
That's where he's at. Is he on the roof?
No, I think he's... I don't know anymore. Yo, play it again, please. Dude, it is so loud in the corner.
Got the sliding foot.
Oh shit!
Oh no!
Well, we're going upstairs.
Underneath us.
Can I start throwing chokes? No! Our DJ.
They killed our boy.
Oh, I think he got back up. I think I just heard somebody heal or something. Nah, he's not back up.
Come on!
Bro, how many chokes are you gonna throw?